Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and if you have a toddler, you know that they are curious about everything you're doing. So in the kitchen, I love having my standing tower from TOETOL. My son loves it as well. We're able to spend quality time together while in the kitchen. He is currently 18 months, so before having the standing tower, it was really hard to carry him and to do the things I had to do around the kitchen, but I don't have to worry about that anymore. We're able to spend time together, and the standing tower is a great tool because it helps promote independence for your child, to show them that they're able to do things themselves too. So it's another great reason to have the standing tower, and this one is my favorite because not only is it a standing tower, it also has a whiteboard and a blackboard where they can use the markers to draw on. There's even a magnetic board where it comes with stickers, and they're easily entertained with that, with putting stickers on the board. I love the way that it was designed. It has these really pretty star cutouts and moon cutouts on both sides and rounded edges where your little one won't get hurt when they're getting on. It's really easy for my son to get on and off of it. It took him a couple of tries to get used to it, but now he's a pro of getting on and getting off himself.
And if you're worried your little one's going to get onto the tower while you're not there, it has this black mesh to protect it so they can't get onto the tower.
This has been such a great tool to have for my family. My little one has been enjoying being in the kitchen with me, and it just makes me so happy. So if you're looking for a standing tower, definitely try this one out from the store TOETOL. That's my point of view.